Navneet Purohit, and I am currently passed out from Sagar Institute of Science and Technology with 8.84 CGPA in the year of 2021. I am currently working on Tata Consultancy Service as an assistant system engineer trainee, and I have seen the post of Nargis Gupta sir on nargisgupta.com website, which I usually prefer to learn or give the test as well. Then I started preparing for it, given the 2 or 3 tested. Then I realized that I can easily crack that exam also, and I can easily win the board speakers and board airdrops as well. But after I realized that my juniors are giving me competitions in the test as well, like up to 7th or 8th test, that there are 7 students which is on top 100% marks. Then I started revising all the concept of C and C++ and working on my programming skills as well. Then I started giving test. Then I scored 99 marks into the overall test, like 10 tests. I have scored 99 marks, and let's see what the result came, and I hope I will win. And thank you, Nargis Gupta sir, for giving that opportunity to us. I have learned a lot from that, and I am waiting for the new test series as well. Thank you.
So recently I have taken part in the test series organized by the NG Tutorials, and I want to share my experience with you all. So it was quite an amazing experience by taking participation in that series, and I have learned a lot from that series because it is basically based on the programming logics, and the questions were really good, and it was like a helpful hand in when you are practicing for the programming logics. So I am able to secure the 3rd rank in that series. And apart from this, if I talk about the NG Tutorials, so NG Tutorials provides you the content related to the computer science engineering environment, and you can find out the RGPV papers out there. You can find out the gate material there. It will help you a lot in your preparation for the gate exams. And apart from this, there are also programming logic questions available on the website, so you can just access those quizzes and can take part in that, so you can boost up your performance. And all I can say is that NG tutorial is a good website if you want to prepare for the placements for the gate, or if you want to prepare for your university exams.
Happy Independence Day to all. My name is Ghanshyam Prajapati, and currently I am pursuing my bachelor's in computer science and engineering. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Nargis Gupta for giving me this opportunity to participate in the program called Learn and Win by NG Tutorials. It was a great experience for me to participate in this quiz, and I learned many things from this quiz, like programming skills and the basic concept of computer science and many things. This quiz was conducted on nargisgupta.com, where I found many programming based questions and MCQ based questions, by which I explored my programming skills, and I will be exploring these type of questions over their site called nargisgupta.com. So I would recommend you all to just visit the site called nargisgupta.com to explore your programming skills. Thank you so much.